Good morning everyone, my name is Pranat Tanwar and today for the RYSI award my topic is waves and vibrations and my subtopic is diffraction, refraction, reflection, colors, lenses and mirrors. So let's start with diffraction. Diffraction is the bending of light when it encounters a small obstacle. To show diffraction we can do a simple experiment. Here I have a laser which has a slit in between. So if we turn off the light now, you will see that when I point the laser on this screen, there is a dark gap between the laser. This shows that diffraction is occurring in the laser. And now we move on to refraction. Refraction is the bending of light when it enters a medium which is denser or rarer than the previous one. If the medium is denser, light will bend towards the normal. If it is rarer, light will bend away from the normal. To show refraction, we can do a simple activity. All we need is a pen and a glass of water. When we dip the pen in the glass of water, it will appear as if the pen is broken, when in fact it isn't. This happens because when light enters the glass of water, it bends a little and due to this, the pen appears broken. And now we move on to reflection. Reflection is the bouncing back of light when it hits a surface. There are two laws of reflection. First, the normal, the incident ray and the reflected ray all lie on the same plane. And the second is that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. To prove the laws of reflection, we can do a simple activity. So here, as you can see, the object is reflecting from the first mirror and then reflecting again from the second mirror, and you can see the image here. Now I will first draw the normal to both of these mirrors. First, I will draw a line from here to where the reflection is. And now I will draw a line going from the object into the first mirror. And now I will draw a line joining these two mirrors. Now, with the help of a protractor, I'll find the measure of these angles. So this angle is coming out to be about 60 degrees and this angle is also coming out to be about 60 degrees. Here, this angle is about 22 degrees and this angle is also about 22 degrees. So this shows that reflection. In reflection, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Our next topic is colors. There are 7 colors in the visible spectrum which are formed under dispersion of white light. These are namely red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and finally violet. These can be remembered by the acronym WIBGYOR. As you can see here, I am using a CD to disperse the white light to show the 7 colors of the spectrum. And now our final topic is lenses and mirrors. Mirrors are used for reflection and they are of 3 types: plane, concave and convex. Lenses are used for refraction and they are of 2 types: concave and convex. To know whether a mirror is plane, concave or convex, a few properties can be used. If the mirror is plane, then the image formed in it will be erect and upright. If the mirror is concave, it will bend a little inwards and the image formed in it will be inverted. As you can see, the clip in my hand is facing towards the left, whereas in the mirror it is facing towards the right. If the mirror is convex, then the image formed will be smaller than that of the size of the object. As you can see, the clip in the image is smaller than that of the original clip. And now, to know whether a lens is concave or convex, there are also a few properties. If a lens is convex, then it will magnify the object. As you can see, this convex lens is magnifying the size of the image. If the lens is concave, then it will make the object look smaller. As you can see, as I bring the lens away from the clip starts to look smaller. And now with the materials and their cost. The laser cost rupees 40, the cardboard was of rupees 10, the glass was of rupees 20, the pen was of rupees 5, the white chart was of rupees 5, the small acrylic mirrors were of rupees 20 each, the CD was of rupees 20, the small magnifying glass was of rupees 10, the concave lens was of rupees 50, the protractor was of rupees 10, the scale was of rupees 20, and the electrical tape was of rupees 10. So the total cost comes out to be rupees 240. So thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you all will enjoy it.